Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I still think this could be the end of a correction back here. I definitely do have an alternative view that would have it continuing up. And luckily, depending on what time frame you're trading, I mean, this is definitely higher lows, and it definitely is a break of structure to the upside. So technically, I would be recommending longs right now, unless we get that break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level. If that happens, I definitely would go back to shorts. Now, keep in mind that whatever happens over the next 24 hours or so is very, very likely just going to be setting itself up for the non-farm payroll news tomorrow. And I'm kind of hoping what happens at the non-farm payroll news tomorrow is that the dollar goes bearish. So perhaps we're gonna get, something like this. Maybe like this is an A, three waves a B and then a C, and then hopefully tomorrow at the non-farm payroll news will be set up for a nice shorting opportunity. It'd be real nice if it potentially was like a wave one, wave two, and then tomorrow's news causes the beginning of a wave three, which a wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So hopefully that's how it all plays out. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.